Hello, and welcome to Comfort Care Chronicles. I'm your host, Lily Parker, and today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to many of us: nutrition and meal planning for seniors. As our loved ones age, ensuring they maintain a healthy diet becomes increasingly important. It's not just about eating right, it's about supporting overall health, managing chronic conditions, boosting energy levels, and improving quality of life. However, aging brings its own set of challenges, like changes in appetite, metabolism, and physical abilities, which can make proper nutrition more difficult to achieve. In this episode, we'll explore why nutrition is so vital for seniors and share practical tips on meal planning, grocery shopping, and preparing balanced meals that cater to the unique needs of older adults. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Let's start with why nutrition is so critical as we age. As we grow older, our bodies undergo various changes and our nutritional needs evolve. A balanced diet plays a key role in managing chronic health conditions that are common among seniors, such as heart disease, diabetes, and osteoporosis. For example, foods rich in potassium, like bananas, sweet potatoes, and spinach, can help regulate blood pressure, which is crucial for heart health. Similarly, whole grains and legumes are excellent choices for managing blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes complications. Additionally, consuming adequate calcium and vitamin D helps maintain bone density, which is essential for preventing fractures, a significant concern for older adults. But it's not just about physical health. Good nutrition also supports cognitive function, helping keep the mind sharp and potentially reducing the risk of memory-related conditions like dementia. For instance, omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon and walnuts are known to benefit brain health. So the food choices we make can profoundly impact our loved ones' overall well-being, both mentally and physically. Seniors have specific nutritional needs to focus on. Protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass and strength. Lean meats, fish, and plant-based sources are excellent options. Calcium and vitamin D are vital for bone health. These nutrients help prevent osteoporosis. Fiber aids digestion and prevents constipation. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are great sources. Healthy fats support heart health. Olive oil, avocados, and nuts reduce inflammation. Hydration is essential as thirst diminishes with age. Encourage regular water intake and hydrating foods. Now, let's move on to some practical meal planning tips. Planning balanced meals ensures seniors get the nutrients they need while making mealtime enjoyable. Aim for a mix of protein, whole grains, and a variety of fruits and vegetables in each meal. For example, a balanced dinner could be baked salmon, brown rice, and steamed broccoli. Serve smaller, more frequent meals if your loved one has a reduced appetite. This helps them get necessary nutrients without feeling overwhelmed. Try offering 5 smaller meals or snacks, like a half sandwich or a yogurt parfait. Modify recipes to meet dietary restrictions due to health conditions. Use herbs and spices instead of salt, and choose healthy fats. For example, mash sweet potatoes with cinnamon and olive oil for a nutritious side dish. Convenience is key. Use pre-cut vegetables, frozen fruits, and ready-made meal kits. A pre-cut stir-fry mix with tofu or chicken over brown rice makes a quick, balanced meal. Involve seniors in meal planning and preparation to reflect their preferences. Incorporate their favorite dishes or fruits to make meals more enjoyable and meaningful. When it comes to grocery shopping, a little planning can go a long way in making the process smoother and more efficient. Start by creating a shopping list based on your meal plan. This helps avoid unnecessary purchases and ensures you have all the ingredients needed for the week. Shopping during off-peak hours can make the experience less stressful and more enjoyable, especially for those who find busy environments overwhelming. And if mobility or transportation is an issue, consider using grocery delivery services, which many stores now offer. This can be a game changer for seniors who find it difficult to get to the store. When shopping, Focus on nutrient-dense foods, those that offer the most vitamins and minerals for the fewest calories. Fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains like brown rice and oats, and lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and beans should be at the top of the list. For example, instead of reaching for processed snacks, opt for nutrient-rich options like almonds, baby carrots, or a piece of fruit. Finally, let's talk about preparing balanced meals. Simplicity and variety are key here. One effective strategy is batch cooking, preparing larger portions of meals that can be stored in the fridge or freezer and eaten throughout the week. This not only saves time, but also ensures that there's always a nutritious meal available, even on busier days. For instance, a large pot of vegetable soup can be portioned out and frozen for later use, providing a quick and healthy option on days when cooking isn't feasible. Adapting family favorite recipes to be healthier is another great way to ensure your loved one enjoys their meals while still getting the nutrients they need. For example, if spaghetti is a favorite, try using whole grain pasta and a sauce made from fresh tomatoes and vegetables, reducing the need for added sugars and preservatives found in many store-bought sauces. Variety is important to keep meals interesting and appetizing. Including a range of textures and flavors can make meals more enjoyable and stimulate the appetite. For example, pairing crunchy roasted vegetables with a creamy mashed sweet potato, or combining tangy citrus fruits with mild cottage cheese, can create a meal that's not only nutritious, but also appealing to the senses. In conclusion, maintaining good nutrition is essential for seniors to support their health, independence, and overall quality of life. By focusing on balanced meals, thoughtful grocery shopping, and efficient meal preparation, we can help our seniors enjoy healthier, more vibrant lives. Thanks for tuning in to Comfort Care Chronicles. I'm Lily Parker, and I'll be back next time with more tips and insights to help you care for your loved ones. Until then, take care and happy meal planning.